Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 reasons to why people really attend events. If you haven't met me yet, my name is Petra. I am the founder of Collab Events. If you'd like to learn more about running strategic live events and how I started a successful event and coaching business, make sure you subscribe to this channel now. I hate to break it to you, but events are not about you, and the sooner you lean into that truth, the sooner you will start seeing amazing results with your events. A massive realization that I had when I started running events was that people always attend events for a reason. And a lot of the time, it's not the reason you might think it is. You might think that they're attending the event because of the features of the event, the speaker panel, the food, the networking, the goodie bags. And just to make it really clear here, no one actually attends an event because of the goodie bag. Your event features are absolutely an important part of running successful events, but the reason normally goes way deeper than that. Before we get into the 5 most common reasons to why people attend events, let's just quickly chat about the benefits to understanding this. If you understand why they want to attend, you can create an event that will actually meet their expectations. And when you meet their expectations, they're about 100% more likely to want to work with you in the future, as you've just proven that you're capable of helping them solve their problems. Secondly, understanding the reason to why your audience really want to be there will help you create a marketing message that will be more attractive and help you sell your tickets way easier. All right, here are the 5 most common reasons to why I find people attend business-related events. Reason number 1, because they feel lonely or they don't have enough people within their friendship circle that are interested in the same things as them. They're looking for a place to connect with other people or to be a part of a community that are similar to themselves. Reason number 2 is that they're not where they want to be in their business and they're looking to connect with potential clients. They come to the event with the intention to meet the perfect client or a partner or whatever they need to solve that specific problem. Reason number 3, they're struggling with a certain skill and they want to attend the event to learn that specific skill. They're there for some sort of growth. Reason number 4, they're feeling stuck, unmotivated, confused, maybe a bit overwhelmed, and they just want to come to this event to feel good, motivated, on track, in control. They might lack a bit of vision and purpose, and these are all mindset-based issues. So they're coming to your event for these sort of reasons. Reason number 5, they want to be associated with a certain group, a brand, or meet a specific person that they're inspired by or is a role model to them. So often this is a situation where they feel significant. This can also come through as recognition, and we often see this in events when it comes to awards night. So people would attend an event to get recognition for something. All right, so that was the 5 most common reasons that I find people attend events. Let me know if you found this helpful and if you've identified why your attendees would want to attend your next event. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, as it really does make a difference. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.